As part of our planning and design package, we always provide original sketches for our couples during the design phase. In this video, I'll share why we use sketches and why they are key to a well-designed and cohesive wedding. At the end, I'll give you some good suggestions on creating your own sketches as well. In the beginning of an engagement, it can be tempting to start booking vendors and purchasing items and just getting the process going. But for couples looking for a unique and original wedding design, the only way to start is with a good sketch. We transfer and translate our couple's ideas onto paper through our original sketches and use them as a tool in the wedding planning process. We find this works much better than relying solely on a mood board or a collection of pins on Pinterest. With a sketch, we're able to create original designs and tweak them for our clients long before any vendors are booked or any items are purchased. Sketching is a process, and it isn't as simple as just drawing what comes to mind. We start with research. First, with our clients, asking questions and gathering information about who they are and what they're like. We ask what types of colors they love, the designs they are drawn to, and all sorts of questions that can help pull us into their dreams for the wedding day. Then we research what sorts of venues and vendors will work for that client. The research is where the ideas are born and where we can develop the original design for the client. Only once we've done that research do we put pen to paper and begin creating their sketches. As we sketch, the idea becomes more solid. Once we sketch out the main vignettes for our client's project, we use them as a tool to explore what the final design will be. Not only do they help us see what the client does want, sometimes when our clients see a sketch, it helps them identify what they don't want. And we'd rather know what they want or don't want in the design phase rather than when vendors are hired, or even worse, when the wedding day comes. We use the sketches with our creative team as well. We can quickly communicate the unique design, and vendor team can share input and suggestions to help achieve the desired look. We find that it saves lots of time in the workflow with them, and we provide more clear specifications for what's really needed. And most importantly, the sketch helps us to evaluate what will and won't work. We eliminate problems later on by tweaking the design while it's still a sketch rather than during the wedding setup. For our sketches, we use a watercolor look that we create on our iPads. If you're planning and designing your wedding yourself, you can still use sketches to create a cohesive design. Snap a picture of your venue when you visit and use that as your canvas, and draw your design directly to it, or use an app or your computer to add elements directly on top of the venue space. You can remove backgrounds from your design elements at remove.bg, and that will help you see how the furniture and floral and other decor will look in the space. Most of all, enjoy the process and use it to define your design and the specifics you'll need to communicate with your vendor team. Thank you so much for watching this video, and happy wedding planning.